Pentair Everpure is proud to be an official sponsor of the World Barista Championship. We would like to take a few moments to talk about water quality and Pentair Everpure solutions. I'd like to welcome Ronny Billemon from our Belgium office to do the presentation.
Welcome. There are essential elements for good coffee brewing. Basically, a good water quality, a correct grinding, a correct water to coffee ratio, the 3 T's, time, temperature, turbulence, and the appropriate filtering or brewing method. As a barista, we have 30 seconds for an espresso, 2 to 5 minutes to create that wow experience. About 18 to 22% of the coffee bean is ideal for the extraction. That represents about 1 to 9% of the concentration in your coffee. The rest of it is all water. Hard water does affect extraction. With tea, you cannot miss it. If you brew a black tea with hard water or with treated water, you have from a black coffee to a pale brownish drink with a quite different taste experience as well. Now, the consistent water quality, coffee brewing can range from strong bitter to weak underdeveloped. A low TDS will have tendency on over-extraction. A bitter or tart tasting coffee, oil slick on surface, and the crema of the espresso will fade away. A high TDS water will result in a slower under-extraction. Weak flavor, weak viscosity, little or no crema, sodium, calcium, chloride, and magnesium may be detectable in the final product. Water should contain some hardness ions to bind with the coffee bean organics and create the fine flavor. However, too many hard minerals will buffer the finest acids of the coffee and scale up your equipment. A high pH will also neutralize the finest acidic flavors of the coffee. A low pH, however, can increase acidity up to deteriorate the flavor of it. Multiple studies have shown there is an ideal recipe for coffee brewing. That water would be containing about 100 milligrams of total dissolved solids. How can we manage TDS and hardness? We can start delining the equipment. We can handle it with scale inhibitors. We can convert the TDS by ion exchange, or we can remove it by reverse osmosis. If you need any help improving your water quality, please take contact with your local Pentair Everpure distributor. He will gladly help you out to bring up that finest result. We'd like to thank you for your attention and enjoy the championship further on. Thank you.